In this video we'll show you how to easily and quickly design cabling for the Rittal Perforex. What do you need for this?
For this we need a mechanical 3D model of the machine. Information from the schematic design. Optionally also information from 3D control cabinet construction. And EPLAN Harness proD. Here, with EPLAN Harness proD you can combine the mechanical and electrical data. You can easily import the mechanical 3D CAD model through a comprehensive interface. Transfer a lot of data directly from the EPLAN project, such as information from the schematic and the control cabinet design. This is an overview of all parts from the schematic which now need to be installed. Our task is to define the right place. Let us connect this motor with the control cabinet. We select the correct component based on the device tag defined in the schematic project. Based on the planning in the circuit diagram, wires and cables are automatically displayed in a direct path. In a next step, the cable path has to be finalized inside this energy chain. Numerous placement aids are available to make installation as simple and efficient as possible. After completion of the network or individual segments, various options are available to get the cables into these paths. Let's have a look at further possibilities of planning at the control cabinet. We pass the cable through the grommet and bracket clamp. The result provides a complete cabling of the machine. Now, there are three possibilities to continue working with this data. 1. Transfer the cabling as a 3D model to the mechanics. 2. Provide the complete 3D data for the installation of the cables. 3. Prepare the production drawings so that the cables can be manufactured individually. These drawings can be created automatically like this. Extend drawings with tables, among other things, so the bill of materials is simply part of the drawing.
That's it. To learn more about EPLAN solutions, check out our other videos.